Meanwhile, Malacanang, along with several government agencies, met to discuss long-term solutions for the country's decades-long flood problem. IBC correspondent Harley Valbuena has more on today's Palace briefing.
As many Filipinos are still recovering from the impact of the active southwest monsoon and the wrath of recent typhoons, the government ensures the public that they are keeping their eyes open on the plight of our countrymen, especially amid this kind of weather.
May mga small improvements na nakikita tayo pero it's not enough.
Talaga nakita natin ang paghihirap ng ating mga kababayan and we really commiserate with them.
Malacanang even highlighted that President Marcos Jr. is also closely monitoring the condition of the affected areas and individuals.
Patuloy na nakamonitor ang Pangulo upang mabantayan ang seguridad ng mga residente sa mga apektadong lugar. Utos ng Pangulo sa lahat ng ahensya na iprioridad ang kaligtasan ng mga residente at siguruhing maaabot ng tulong ang mga nasalanta ng baha.
The Department of Public Works and Highways says among the measures is to expedite the completion of flood mitigation structures along Marikina River, the repair of floodgates in Navota City to prevent flooding in the Kamanava area, ensure the operation and proper maintenance of pumping stations, and the building of water detention basins.
We've been experiencing floods for decades, no? And this is not a problem that can be fixed overnight, but ang directive ng Pangulo bilisan at bilisan ang pag-aksyon para ma-address na natin to.
Alongside this is the immediate response to road emergencies, 24/7 operation of their hotline 136, and the deployment of free rides for stranded passengers.
Priority lang naman is very simple, to keep Metro Manila moving, respond where bottlenecks develop, at saka of course coordinate all the other agencies and their activities para nga ma-unified at united ang aming serbisyo.
According to Pag-asa, Metro Manila and nearby provinces experienced about 200 millimeters of rainfall in just 6 hours during the heavy rains last Monday, still far from the 381 millimeters of rainfall recorded during Typhoon Ondoy in 2009. But the Weather Bureau warns that continuing rains may still be experienced for the rest of the week due to the tropical depression Neneng and other weather systems affecting parts of the country. Harley Valbuena, IBC News.